Yeah, this is like the digital impression basically, so it's like a file that we upload to the Invisalign website.
Okay.
And that's how the doctors go in and make the treatment plan. We go and move the teeth digitally and then Invisalign it.
Oh, your small tooth there, Tyler.
Sorry?
Yeah, small tooth.
This one, yeah,
Yeah.
it just doesn't have space to erupt all the way,
Yeah.
so
So
with the new Invisalign trays, the doctors will make sure that they leave that space there so it can come in all the way.
nice.